Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's cheapest way to start blogging in 2022 video, I want to share with you my new blog that I just launched, and I've launched this blog totally for free. There's been no costs at all involved, and it can be forever free if you want it to be. And the reason I've launched a blog is because it's important to have published content on the internet so you can start to get ranked in the search engines and you can start to automate your business. And the platform that I'm going to share with you has 8-figure earner training. It's free training for you. I'm going to take you a bit later on into that training and show you the different lessons that you're going to get. But more importantly, this is not just for the make money online niche. This is going to be for absolutely any niche that you're promoting products for online. So it really is, it's more and more important to find ways to automate your business, and publish content is a great way to do that. So I'll just give you a brief overview here and just show you one post that I've done. It's on the WordPress platform, and the WordPress platform is the one that gets ranked the highest in the search engines. And you'll see I've just chosen a very basic theme. I've just got a couple of posts on here. I'm leveraging my YouTube content. So if you've got a YouTube channel, you can either put your own YouTube videos on here to get more views and subscribers, or you can use other people's YouTube videos and put those into your blog post as well. But you'll see it's nice and clean. It's easy to read, very, very beginner friendly, and comments at the bottom. So it's very basic at the moment for me. I'm just starting to learn blogging. It's going to be a long-term project, and there'll be a link in the description where you can start your blog for free. So the platform that I'm using is Wealthy Affiliate. And the reason that I went with Wealthy Affiliate is because they've been online for 17 years. And what you're going to get with Wealthy Affiliate, even as a free member, is absolutely insane value. So I'll just give you a brief overview of this page here. And what you'll see, it says it's a platform designed for affiliate marketers of all levels. So even if you're an absolute beginner and you haven't made your first dollar online, then Wealthy Affiliate can be for you. So what you're doing is you're transforming your ideas into profit, starting a business from over 1 million lucrative niches. Maybe you've got a hobby that you want to actually turn into a profitable online business. Wealthy Affiliate are going to teach you how to build beautiful profit-ready websites. So no design skills needed. They teach everything in the training. They give you proven strategies to attract loads of traffic, access to over 4 billion potential customers. I'm going to put the link in the description where you can have a look at the information, or you can even you can set up a free account and you can go into the back office and have a look at all this information. Your revenue sources are absolutely unlimited. You'll see all of these brand names here that you can actually access and earn income from. And Wealthy Affiliate is affiliate marketing worldwide. 17 years in business, 193 countries, 1.4 million members, 10,000 new businesses built monthly, expert coaches that you've got access to in the back office that are here to help and support you. And over 23,000 people are being helped daily within the community of Wealthy Affiliate. So I'm live in my back office here, and what you'll see here is these are the first initial trainings that I took to get my blog launched. These are the free trainings. And what you'll see here, lesson 1, I will do some more in-depth reviews on Wealthy Affiliate, but I just wanted to give you a nice overview today of how you can just get started for free, blogging or building websites and earn affiliate income. So lesson number 1, they have video tutorials within these lessons. So if you're someone who likes to read, you can read the tutorials. If you're someone like me who likes to learn by video, then you can watch the video tutorials. And it's very, very step by step and very systemized. So lesson 1 is getting rolling, getting started. Lesson 2, you'll see how detailed the lessons are if I go all the way down here. So they give you all the different tasks. If you're an absolute beginner, then it's very, very simple. It's just step by step simple process that you can learn how to make money online. So lesson 2 is understanding how to make money online. That's really important to understand how we do this. Lesson 3, if we go to here, is choosing your niche. You might not want to be like me. I'm in the make money online niche, but maybe you might be passionate about another niche. So they teach you how to find your niche and how to make money within your niche. Building your own niche website is lesson number 4. Lesson number 5 is setting up your website. So again, using the WordPress platform. You don't have to get overwhelmed because these are really step-by-step beginner tutorials. A lot of people come onto these platforms and they see lots of information. You're not going to use 90% of what's in the WordPress dashboard. You're just going to start with the very, very basics. That's all you need, and that's all they teach you. So don't get overwhelmed with too much information when you first start looking at these. Lesson number 6 is getting you ready for the search engines, Google, Bing and Yahoo. They're the 3 main search engines. So getting you ranked in the search engines and getting you automation within your online business. Creating your content. So they teach you how to create content for your website or your blog. Custom menus, how to do custom menus, lesson number 8. So really structured, understanding keywords, how to write a blog post, how to write content for your website. Very, very detailed trainings here for you. And the last one here, congratulations and your next steps. So I go into my back office here this is my site here, Barry Cross, and you'll see that I've set my about page up. I'll put a link in the description so you can go straight to my blog post and you can have a visit and have a look on there and see what I've done so far. I've done a couple of posts here. I've done a couple of reviews, a review on Prosperity Marketing System and a review on ClickEngine. And all the information down the left-hand side here, well, not all of it, but they go through some of this within the training, within the Wealthy Affiliate lessons that I've just shown you. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey. And please click subscribe and click the bell icon if you like to get notified of new videos from me. So currently at the moment I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 700 videos on the channel. And if you've got any questions at all about blogging, about Wealthy Affiliate, then please leave those questions in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. And I'll put my direct email address within the description so you can contact me direct via email if you wish to do so. So there'll be a link in the description where you can set up a free account for Wealthy Affiliate, and then you can just have a look in the back office. There's a lot more to this platform I'm going to be covering in future videos. But just for now, it's worth just joining the platform, having a look inside the back office, and start to go through those lessons and get a feel for what blogging is all about, or building niche websites, and just get some insight as to how simple this can be, and get yourself some published content online and start to really automate your online business. So thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.